So, traders, as we all are looking into the new week, I will be sharing to you guys possible direction on 3 trading pairs that we always work on, which is Nasdaq, gold, and USD CAD. But before we start the video, make sure you like on the video, make sure you leave a comment on the video, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time we drop fire educational content, and to click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. Or if you're looking to capitalize on the 50% discount on our 2-day in-person mentorship course in the COT Academy, then I guess you're going to take the time and the opportunity to give us a call, give us a text on WhatsApp, give us a DM, give us a text on Telegram, or just comment down below P, and I will know what you're looking for so we can chop it up and see how we can take it from there. But without further ado, let me just make sure that I prepare you guys for the next trading week so you can have a great one, a profitable one, and most importantly, a consistent one. So, our first pair will forever be the NAS. And you guys can clearly see structure on Nasdaq. Prices wood, prices bullish. With price being bullish, prices a wood, a bullish behavior. And we say bullish behavior, price is giving us wood, bullish pretense to confirm that continuation or confirmation of continuations to the upside. So the only thing that I can now make you guys understand, understanding your structure, your behavior, and your pretense, they all are bullish. But as you can clearly see that we have this zone marked out, which was our intraday resistance from our previous all-time high. So from a previous all-time high, price started holding the very same zone. So from holding this zone, price gave us a break above to end our trading week, which was on Friday. So the only thing that we're gonna now focus on for the coming week will be very simple, because we're waiting for confirmation, and this confirmation is just based on us having to understand that is price gonna just stay above this very same zone to possibly create new all-time highs, or is price gonna trade below to give us this possible intraday reversal to the downside before we can continue with our overall structure, which is bullish. We just don't know. But having the zone marked out makes it somehow or somewhat possible for us to understand that with a bullish structure, with a bullish behavior and bullish presence, and an intraday zone marked out, if price is going to stay above that zone, then we're going to understand that price is still bullish. But if price is going to trade below, then we're going to look for that momentum that will give us a assurance that price is now looking for those moves to the downside and capitalize on that move. But for the most part of it, we're simply waiting for confirmation to see what is price going to play, how is price going to play out within the next trading week. You guys get that? But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. So gold, when you guys understand, when you guys remember beginning of the week, we had a clean on our previous weekly outlook. We had a clean anticipation that our structure is bullish. But for this week, ending this week and looking forward to the new week, our structure is bearish. Just to show you the tug of war that price is going through, your gold and your dollar, how they versus each other and how they fight for momentum. Beginning of the week, we had the gold strength. Ending the week, we had the dollar strength. So for the coming week, I'm gonna share to you guys what we might possibly be looking forward into, and for the most part of it, understand that we're gonna be waiting for confirmation based on what we trade, because price has this zone marked out, and this zone is our confirmation. You can go check it out on our previous outlook, just so you can understand that this is our intraday support zone. And with an intraday support, if price stays above, then we're going to look for those moves to the upside. But if price is going to trade below, then we're going to look for those moves to the downside, and that will be what we'll be anticipating on gold, looking forward to the new week. Because now gold is not trading far from our zone, then we're going to have to play the waiting game, and until price reaches the zone, if it possibly happens, then we're going to wait for our confirmation on the setups that we anticipate. If price will give us a fail to violate the zone, we'll look for those intraday reversals to the upside. But if price will give us a break below, then I guess we might anticipate those continuations to the downside, because our current price is bullish, is bearish. Do you guys get that? But understand, we're simply waiting for confirmation like we do on the NAS, and we are on gold. But last but not least, we're having USD CAD. And USD CAD, we're not gonna say much and we're not gonna do much, but I'm just gonna be showing you guys, based on everything that I've showed you guys on the previous 2 days, what we might possibly experience for this current trading pair. And as you can clearly see, the price is still holding our highs, still holding our lows and our highs. And with that being said, the only thing we're waiting for is to be bullish above highs and to be bearish below lows. Understanding that price gave us a break above and price gave us a break below, price gave us a break below and gave us a break above, which makes you understand again the tug of war that this currency pairs are having, your United States dollar and your Canadian dollar. Beginning of the week, we had that Canadian dollar, we had that dollar weakness, right, and that Canadian dollar strength, and price was bearish. But ending the week, we had that Canadian dollar weakness and that dollar strength. But now, because I'm just keeping it real with you guys, price is still holding our range, and with price still holding our range, the only thing we're gonna be waiting for is to be bullish above and be bearish below. But if price will give us a trade inside within our range, then we're simply gonna trade our support and resistance within our range, and that's all that we're gonna keep it the way it is, and that's all we're gonna make it the way it is. And before we end the video, make sure you check out the recent video that we have uploaded on how we took a trade on our trading range, which was on USD CAD early this week, right? So you can understand and get the picture how you can also capitalize without having to have me assisting you guys and being with you guys through that very same video. I've left the link on my description. Go and check it out, learn and earn, so you can capitalize and be one of the COT Academy professional traders that are out there and the members that are out there. But without further ado, before I end, understand USD CAD is in a range, and there's only 2 things that we're waiting for. We bullish above, we bearish below, or we're simply going to trade our support and resistance if price is trading within our range, and that's all that we're going to keep it. But without further ado, thanks for liking, thanks for showing love, and thanks for showing up to the COT Academy page. Without further ado, I appreciate all the love and I appreciate all the support. But this is Super Harlem, King COT, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next video.